Good morning students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back in today's maths class. Students, in today's class we are going to discuss these topics. Our today's topics are number names, numerals, expanded form, successor and predecessor, place value. Students, we have already discussed these topics in our previous class. But in today's class we will discuss with more details. Okay. Number names will be according to Indian system and international system. Okay. Then numerals, number name will be given and we have to write the number of the number name. Then expanded form, successor and predecessor, that is after number and before number, and place value of the underlined digit. So students, are you all ready? Students, now we will start with our first exercise, that is exercise 1A. Okay. Students, our first question is insert commas and write the number names of the following in the Indian system. Okay students, now our first question is number A, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7, 3, 2. Students, they have asked to insert the commas and then we have to write its number name. Okay students, now how we will insert the commas? Let us understand. Our number is 2, 5, 4, 6, 7, 3, 2. Students, if we start counting from the back side, that is from right side to left side, 2, 3, 7. Students, what is the place value of 2? Yes, ones, then tens, then hundreds. So students, here we will insert one comma, then 1,000, then 10,000. Students, here we will put one comma, then lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, as per the Indian numeration system, how we will put commas? One group will be of ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Another of 1,000 and 10,000. Then last group of lakh and 10 lakh. Understood students? How we have to insert commas and how to write number name? Okay. So students, now we will write it number name. So our answer is 25 lakh 46,732. Okay. Now number B. 6854,365. Okay students, now we will write here 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5. One group will be of ones, tens and hundreds. So 1, tens and hundreds. Here we will put one comma. Another group of 1,000 and 10,000. So 1 comma, lakh and 10 lakh. So students, how we will read this number? 68,54,365. So now let's write 68 lakh 54,365. Okay. Students, now number C. 821 367 45. Okay. Now 821 36745. Students, now we will count from back side, ones, tens, hundreds. So here we will put one comma, 1,000, 10,000, 1 comma, 1, 2, again 1 comma. So students, now one more digit has increased. Okay, so how we will read it now? 8 crore 21 lakh 36,745. Now we will write here 8 crore 21 lakh 36,745. Students, now D, E, F is your homework. Okay. ABC I have discussed with you. Now question number D, E, F is your homework. Okay. Students, now we will continue with question number 2. That is, write the numerals for the following. Write the numerals for the following. Students, in this question, number name is given and we have to write its number. So students, number A is 7,65,435. So students, its numeral is 7,65,435. Understood all of you? Okay. Number B, 99 crore 8 lakh 54. Students, now we will write like this: 99 crore. Okay, 8 lakh. Nothing is given in 10 lakh, so we will put here 0. Then 8 lakh 54. Nothing is there in 10,000, 1000 and 100. So at each place we will write 0. 54. Okay, 99 crore 8 lakh 54. Understood? Number C, 35 crore 62 lakh 25,000 256. 256. Okay, students, now we will write it in number 35 crore, comma 62 lakh, comma 25,000, comma 256. Once again, 35 crore 62 lakh 25,256. Students, we have already discussed question A, B, C. Question number D, E, F and G is your homework. Okay? Understood? Question number D, E, F and G is your homework in question number 2. Okay? Okay, now question number 3. Write the following in expanded form. Okay, now we have to expand the given numbers. So student, number A is 2,75,312. Okay, first of all we will expand it in figures. Okay, पहले हम उसको figures में expand करते हैं, फिर we will expand it in words. Okay, so students, what is the place value of 2? 2 lakh. जैसे जैसे नंबर बोलते जाएंगे वैसे उसको expand करना है. So 2 lakh plus 75,000, that is 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 2. Understood? Okay, now we will expand it in words. So how we will write? 2 lakh plus 7, 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 300
plus 110 plus 2 1. Understood? Number B, that is 56 lakh 12,264. Okay, first we will expand it in figures. Okay, first of all we will expand in figures, then in words. Understood? So first of all we will expand it in figures. So 50 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4. Understood? Now we will expand in words. So 5, 10 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 1, 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 6, 10 plus 4, 1. Okay? Understood? Now number C. Okay students, now what is the question of number C? 2 crore 4 lakh 56,723. So students, in figures how we will write? 2 crore. Okay, now in 10 lakh there is 0. So students, place value of 0 is always 0. So 2 lakh plus 2 crore plus 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 3. Okay students, now we will write in words. The same thing we will write in words. Two crore plus 4 lakh plus 5, 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 210 plus 3, 1. Okay students, all of you understood how to expand the numbers in figures and in words. Okay students. Students, our next question number 4 is write the predecessor and the successor of. Students, we have already discussed what is predecessor and what is successor. Predecessor means before number and successor means after number. Here you have given one number, and of that number we have to write its predecessor and the successor. So students, for that we will make one table like this, and heading will be predecessor, number and successor. Whatever the question is given in our book, we will write here, and we will write the predecessor here and successor here. Okay? Understood all of you? Okay. Prepare this table. Okay, our first number is 2,35,042. So students, which number comes before 2,35,042? Yes, good. The number which comes before 2,35,042 is 2,35,041. So this is the predecessor. And what is the successor of 2,35,042? Yes, that is 2,35,043. Understood all of you? Okay, next number is 2,45,176. Students, can anyone tell me what is the predecessor of 2,45,176? Yes, good. That is 2,45,175. And what is the successor? Yes, very good. 2,45,177. Students, question number C, you try by your own. Okay, so that is your homework. Our next question is question number 5. Write the place value. Write the place value of the underlined digits in the international सिस्टम. स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक हमने इंडियन सिस्टम ही सीखा था, अब हम इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम भी सीखेंगे. ओके, हाउ टू राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू एज पर द इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम. ओके, ओके, नाउ नंबर ए इज 256,783. Students, first of all, we will understand the international numeration system. So, how we will put commas as per the international system? We will count from back side. Okay. After every 3 digit, we will put one comma. So, 1, 2 and 3. So, I will put here 1 comma. Okay. आफ्टर एवरी 3 डिजिट, पीछे से काउंटिंग करने के 3 नंबर, फिर कॉमा लगाने. तो 1, 2 एंड 3. तो यहाँ पर हमने कॉमा लगा दिया. So this there will be grouping of 3 digits as per the international numeration system. Okay. Now if we want to know what is the place value of all these numbers. So students, the place value of 3 is ones, hundreds, टेंस. ओके, ये तो जो हमने पहले किया था ठीक उसी तरह ही है, बट फिर चेंज होगा. So here the place value is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay, here it will change. Say ones, tens, hundreds, then 1,000, 10,000 and then 100,000. Now how we will read this number? 256,783. मैंने क्या बोला था, इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 100,000. So how we will read this number? 256,783. Now students, they have given underlined under 5. यहाँ पर 5 के नीचे अंडरलाइन दी है, तो उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 50,000. ओके, अगर हमें वर्ड्स में लिखनी है तो ऐसे लिख देंगे 50,000. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नाउ नंबर बी. Six four 5280. मैंने आपको पहले बोला था कि हम पहले 3 डिजिट्स काउंट करेंगे, तो 1, 2 and 3. So here 1 comma will come. Okay students, now how we will read this number? 645,280. Okay, how we will read this number? 645,280. Now in this number they have given underlined under 6. यहाँ पर 6 के नीचे अंडरलाइन दी है, तो उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 645,000 यानी कि 100,000. What is the place value of 6? 100,000. So students, what we will write here? 600,000. Okay, 600,000. सेम वे अगर वर्ड्स में लिखना है तो 600,000. Okay, now next, that is number C. 8723,605. Okay, first of all we will insert commas. 1 2 3, 1 comma, 1 2 3, 1 comma. Students, here one more digit is added. Now this number is of 7 digits. So how we will read this number? 8,723,605. Okay, once again I am repeating, 8,723,605. Okay, students, they have given underline under number 7. 7 के नीचे अंडरलाइन दी है. So place value of this number is again 700,000. Now if I want to write it in words, so 700,000. Understood? Now the remaining questions D, E, F is your homework. Okay?
Students, I hope you all of you understood these topics and enjoyed this class. If you have any doubt or query, you can contact me on my number, or you can also drop query in our application. I will answer you as soon as I will see your query. We end up here today's class. Till then, goodbye and take care.